In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty your Gmail trash all at once. This is a handy trick that will help you free up space in your email account by permanently deleting all those unwanted emails in your trash folder. Whether you have a handful of emails or thousands, this method will make the process quick and easy. So, let's dive right into it. Start by opening your favorite web browser and heading over to the Gmail website. Make sure you log into your account with your credentials. Once you're logged in, look over to the left side of the screen where you see a list of folders. These include your inbox, sent mail, and, of course, the trash folder. If you're having trouble finding it, look for the word More with a small arrow next to it. Clicking on that will expand the list, revealing more folders including the trash. Now, click on the trash folder. This is where all your deleted emails temporarily reside before they're permanently deleted. If you've been using Gmail for a while, chances are you have quite a few emails sitting here. The great news is that Gmail offers a convenient option to empty this folder in one go, saving you the hassle of deleting emails one by one. At the top of the list of emails in your trash, you'll see a small, unobtrusive message that reads, "Empty trash now." This is usually located just above the list of emails, close to a small text that might say something like, "Messages that have been in the trash more than 30 days will be automatically deleted." Clicking on Empty Trash Now will prompt a confirmation window to appear, asking if you're sure you want to delete all messages forever. Be cautious here. This action is irreversible, and once the emails are deleted, they cannot be recovered. If you're certain you want to proceed, click OK on the confirmation box. Gmail will then proceed to permanently delete all the emails in your trash, freeing up space in your account. This process might take a few moments depending on the number of emails you have. Congratulations, you've successfully emptied your Gmail trash all at once. Your account now has more room for incoming emails and important messages. It's a good practice to periodically check and empty your trash to maintain your account's performance and storage efficiency. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, consider subscribing or sharing this video with others who might benefit from it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with more useful tips and tricks.